So, what we making today?
Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today me and my grandma is going to be making this
Spicy fried noodles.
spicy fried noodles, and we're just like cutting cabbage, and I'm doing the carrots. So
And then we're gonna have some
mushrooms.
mushrooms added in that.
So I'm just using this side.
I'm gonna turn the TV off.
Not that hard. I can really see. Don't mind my hair. You finna cut the mushrooms?
Yeah.
She's gonna cut the mushrooms.
So we're gonna chop the mushrooms up a little bit here.
Right
So how many carrots did you chop up so far, you know?
there. I think I started off with like 3. I don't know. Don't
How
I
many
gotta
more you got left?
1.
Just one. Okay, that should be.
We need more?
That should be enough.
Don't you gotta fry the mushrooms too?
Yeah, we're gonna fry all of this stuff together. And still gotta cut the onion up. So this all the stuff we're gonna be pan frying all together before we start with the noodles, okay?
Okay.
So we're gonna be using like probably a cup full of mushrooms.
A cup?
Yeah, and a cup full of cabbage. That's probably about a cup. Yeah, a cup full of cabbage. You all right?
Yeah.
Did you cut yourself?
No, not really.
You nicked it?
Huh?
Did you nick it? When it gets smaller, just let me cut it up, okay?
Okay.
That's good. I can cut that up. I can cut that up. Watch out. So you put all the carrots together.
There you go.
So it was about a half a cup of carrots. That's all we need. Okay, so gather up all the carrots together, and I'm gonna chop up the bigger pieces.
Don't we need the... Wait, never mind.
Okay, so now all we have to do is
Flip it to the carrot side.
yeah, then I gotta go get the finish the onions off.
Where they at?
I gotta cut them up. So okay, so we got the so you can explain we're about to add what in the I'm gonna cut the eggs. I mean
Onions.
the onions up right now.
Mhm.
So what are we making again?
Some fried noodles.
Okay. Are they gonna be spicy or?
They're gonna be a little spicy, but they're not that spicy. What else we need?
I'm gonna do the onion right now. So and then we're gonna we're gonna move it over the camera in a minute. So as I'm done with the onions.
Okay, guys, so look at it. This is, well, she did these two. I only did the carrot.
Only? That's a lot of work.
What?
Doing the carrots is a lot of work. Don't you think so?
Yeah, a little bit.
You know, the best thing, thank God you ain't got to do the onions. You'll be over there crying in front of that video.
I know. That's what my mom said when Candace and my cousin was cutting some onions. They started crying.
What, they was throwing onions?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I like to run mine under cold water.
So you won't cry?
So it takes a lot of the stinging out of your eyes. But just gotta stay under some cold water.
Okay, so tomorrow we might video again because my grandma just ordered me a wax machine. So I might record me waxing her legs.
Okay, so we'll move your carrots over there. And here's the onions. We're gonna do the onions real quick.
She's on the other one now. My eyes.
Your eyes burning?
A little bit. Where's Shanika coming over?
She coming over later to grab some of this stuff, cause she gonna follow our video and make her own stir fry hot noodles.
Oh, she's gonna follow.
So we're gonna pause this for a second. So guys, here we go. We're about to fry the noodles. But first I gotta figure out how we flip this camera around here, which I can't figure out. So, well,